Bro, the only way y'all gotta get a retwist is I wait every 2 months.
Facts.
Done.
Facts.
And most people like what? Why every 2 months? Because if you get every 2 months, if you really think about it, everybody don't know that your dress go longer than like this. Like you should have. Bro, I waited every 2 months to get mine done. That's why it is right now. Like nobody don't even know my own secret, bro.
They look like wicks, but maintain wicks, bro.
Yeah,
just the way they stick out.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
All I do is if I wear one, I like keep them out like get like mine. All you gotta do is wash it and maintain it. That's it, basically.
So how did you start your dreads?
How I really started my dreads was my end of my junior year in high school, bro.
But what I be trying to tell folks is it ain't no escaping it. You gotta go through it.
You gotta go through
You
it,
can
bro.
grow your hair for 10 months. You still gonna go through the ugly stage.
Hey, y'all think I'm playing? Y'all think you playing, boy? Hey,
You gotta go through the ugly stage. But look, people, right? You look at how, like, I don't watch DDG, but I recently saw his dreads. Bro, they look crazy, bro. You feel me? They not bad. They not like little tiny, but they skinny and like they don't have any like width to them or nothing. Like you gonna go through that stage, bro. You feel me? Like they not. The longer you wait, all the only thing you doing is making your dreads like longer. It ain't adding no width, no definition, no nothing to your dreads. Yo, what's good up next, fam? This your boy up next. I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, alright, today I'm gonna be calling up a subscriber, bro. You know what I'm saying? But no ordinary subscriber. But we about to ask him about the dreads and how his dreads process was. Just something different, you know what I'm saying? Something that I pride myself on doing stuff that these other YouTubers won't do, you know what I'm saying? Something diverse. First, bro, before the video even gets started, bro, hit that like button for me down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Let's get straight into the video. Alright, so look, bro, I hit up my man EJ. Shout out to that man EJ. I've been knowing EJ, you dig what I'm saying? Since like 16, 17, like I'm talking about like 2016, 2017. So you know what I'm saying? So me and this dude been kicking it, you know what I'm saying? And hopefully y'all gonna see him in more videos, even more videos. But I also been seeing EJ throughout his whole dread journey. I saw him when he had the little tiny ones, you know what I'm saying? When he used to wear the little headband and stuff like that. So yeah, man, all we gonna do is we gonna basically hit this man out. Hey, bro, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna ask him a couple questions about his dreads and stuff like that. So if y'all want, look, I be trying to tell y'all, bro. Each and every video I tell y'all, bro, y'all can DM me on Instagram. Y'all, first off, follow me on Instagram and DM me on Instagram and support my Instagram page, bro. And DM me, bro. Like, y'all can ask me anything about dreads, anything like that. Y'all can ask me about any life advice. I don't care, bro. I just be talking to y'all. You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all support my Instagram page. So follow me. Like all my posts, you dig what I'm saying? And text me, bro. Stay active with the text, bro. I be texting y'all each and every day. You know what I'm saying? So don't even be scared. You know what I'm saying? Y'all new to my channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We about to get straight into it. Let's go.
It's your boy SEC getting in. Y'all know what time it is.
Do you prefer, like, what made you choose, like, the type of dreads you got right now instead of having wicks like them folks in Florida do?
See, I don't usually, like, get wicks like that, bro. It's always like I always want to have my own type of like style, have on my dreads. So,
yeah, yo.
So there ain't no like different things about like having dreads. You won't have wigs, you have wigs. You want to have regular dreads, you have regular dreads. Like, it don't matter how your dreads look, bro. If you got dreads, you like maintain them and keep them clean, bro. You good no matter what. Facts.
You know what I'm saying? And like, hello. So like, what made you dye the ends? You got the ends dyed?
Yes, sir. You know it.
What made you do that?
I want to be different because some people got like red, a whole head set of
God.
red dreads. Like, dog, no, I ain't with all of that. I just gotta have my tips done. So that way, if my whole tips is fall out, I still got the rest of my dreads, bro. So I ain't with that. Shit.
Hey, facts. Hey, take off your hood right quick so you can just see like your dreads and shit. Oh yeah, your shit lit. Hey, no cap. No cap.
I'm gonna keep real talk. When I first got my dreads, they wasn't like this long. They was these like right here.
Facts.
Oh yeah.
I'm telling them like, and bro, the thing is, your dreads grew pretty fast, bro. You did what I'm saying. your dreads really grew pretty fast. I saw you throughout, you know what I'm saying? You was posting on Instagram, whatever. And you know, we all went through that little headband stage where we had to rock the headband.
Oh, we got to rock the headband.
Oh, God.
Hey, I'm going to give you a y'all ever get that extended dreads, boy.
What? Rock the headband out, boy. Rock the headband, boy. Oh, God. Look, sometimes you got to pull that bit back, you know. Sometimes you got to wear that bit right here. Oh, God. So how long you into your dread journey?
Right now, I'm like a year and a half.
You in a year? Oh, yeah. Your shit hanging. And you don't even look like you got your shit retwisted for a good little minute.
Not yet, but
when you do, it going to be hanging, though.
Hey, I'm trying to have them like these right here.
Facts.
By the end of the year.
Your shit gonna be there. Cause your shit really long for a year and a half, bro.
Yeah.
And then like your shit, like how I don't even know how to. I think why your dreads look so fire cause you haven't got it retwisted. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro.
And people they be asking me, they're like, yo, do you get your? They be asking me, do I get my hair retwisted like every 2 weeks, a month? Like that ain't how you do it, bro. They be killing their hair.
Bro, the only way y'all gotta get retwisted is I wait every 2 months.
Facts. Facts.
And most people like what? Why every 2 months? Because if you get every 2 months, if you really think about it, everybody don't know that your dress go longer than like this. Like you should have. Bro, I waited every 2 months to get mine done. That's why it is right now. Like nobody don't even know my own secret, bro.
That I tell folks that every video wait 2 to 4 months. You get what I'm saying? And when you get your, it depends on like who you see. I go to a salon, bro. I go to a lady. You get what I'm saying? I gotta pay at least $40 to $70. So every 2 months, 4 months, I'm paying about $40 to $70. You get what I'm saying? But like right now, I'm sitting on like 3-4 months. I don't even care to be 100 with you. I don't.
Yeah, no.
So so for me, I don't know if it's for you. Like you just said, your dread journey really go by fast because you don't be thinking about it like that.
At all. I don't be thinking about my dreads and I just be worried about getting taken and getting cut.
Oh God, like, and then the thing is, when your dreads start hanging like yours, bro, you really don't even have to be getting a haircut like that.
Nah, look, bro. Quarantine, hey, y'all want to keep it secret? Quarantine about look like a caveman, but
you?
Hey, I'm talking about all this nappy.
Yeah.
Nappy.
Hey, caveman status on God. They don't know.
Oh God,
Bruh, when you that's the perk though. When you have dreads, bruh, you don't have to get your hair cut every 2 weeks. You get what I'm saying? Like folks don't even understand that shit neither. Alright, so what made you? I know like you grew up in like the Florida area, so you know what I'm saying, it's all around you. No cap.
Yeah, all day.
Your dreads, they look maintained, they look fire as hell. They look like wicks, but maintained wicks, bro.
Yeah,
just the way they stick out.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
All I do is if I wear one, I like keep them out like they like mine. All you gotta do is wash it and maintain it. That's it, basically.
Facts.
Sometimes I use like towels, like dry my hair off, like this.
So how did you start your dreads?
How I really started my dreads was my end of my junior year in high school, bro. Ever since then, I was like, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get locked up real quick and see how I look with them. And shoot, I'm saying about like half of my senior year, I wanted to cut my shit, boy.
Facts! Baby, frying us.
Everybody was like, nah, you don't even cut your other dreads, dog. Like, bro.
You might want to go through it.
Hey, I'm in the ugly stage. I don't want to cut these bitches so bad.
Oh God, that make you another human. It make, bro, you be getting cracked on. Like you better not start cracking. So they gonna call your shit worms, everything.
But hey, I've been getting chewed because boy, I had a low cut for a while, but I had that flat top, the low cut, man. I'm like, man, I ain't doing
Hey, this ain't even the end of the interview, but what I wanna put right there on the screen, where can they follow you at? Just so I can put it on the screen for them.
Oh, you can find me on Instagram at Do It All EJ, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, bet. I'm gonna put it on the screen for you. It ain't the end of. Alright, so So how did you start, Joe? Like what method did you start off with a sponge?
I started mine off with a brush, like regular hairbrush. All I do every day was get up every morning, just brush my whole head like this the whole time. Wait for like a bit. 8 hours, wash my head, do the same thing again. I mean, it works on some people's head, because if your head like nappy, bro, I'm sorry, you're not gonna work for you. You gotta brush your head first and
bro, wow.
You gotta do that, but also have beeswax.
Mm-hmm.
And I forgot the other product that I have. What it was? I think it's a Jamaican hair.
Facts. I know what you're talking about. It's yellow.
Yeah.
Facts. Yeah. I know what you're talking about. So like, did you ever go to a salon and actually get it twisted by a lady, or did you always use the brush method?
I did mine for like 5 months, straight brush, and then that's when I went to my auntie who does she actually loctician.
Facts.
She do NFL players hair for like $60 to $85, and but that's the best loctician ever. That's how my dress is right now.
Mm-hmm. So how often do you go to her? Or
I usually go to her every like 4 weeks. Just get a wash.
Oh yeah, facts.
Then she asked me, do she want me to do a retwist? I said, yeah, you might well go ahead and retwist now. So I'm like, wait.
On God, cause like when you get your hair, when you get your hair washed with dreads, bro, it just look all crazy. Like when you dry it off especially when you in the beginning stage and you get your hair washed, it just be everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So you might well go on, as soon as she wash it, you might well just go ahead and get it retwisted or whatever.
Yeah.
Alright, so she basically, alright, so when you started out, right, how long did it take you to grow that afro? Like before you got it retwisted?
Well, it took me about like 4 to 5 months.
4 to 5, oh yeah, yeah. And then you go through the ugly stage.
But hey,
But what I be trying to tell folks is, it ain't no escaping it. You gotta go through it. You can grow your hair for 10 months. You still gonna go through the ugly stage.
Hey, y'all think I'm playing? Y'all think you playing, boy? Hey,
you gotta go through the ugly stage. But look, people, right? You look at, like, I don't watch DDG, but I recently saw his dreads. Bro, they look crazy, bro. You feel me? They not bad. They not like little tiny, but they skinny and like they don't have any like width to them or nothing. Like you gonna go through that stage, bro. You feel me? Like they not. The longer you wait, only thing you doing is making your dreads like longer. It ain't adding no width, no definition, no nothing to your dreads. You feel me?
I gotta find boy, I got so much.
Yeah, do you? You probably got a lot of those Congos.
But I got most of them like all combination, all
yeah.
My dreads different, bro.
Facts. Alright, so one last question. So in the future of your dreads, cause I'm gonna keep updated with your ass on some no homo type shit, but I'm gonna keep updated. So like with the future of your dreads, where you going? You going towards the freeform style, or you going towards maintaining them and just?
I'm basically going to maintain it.
Mm-hmm.
I like to keep it balanced, so I want to have like both freeform and maintain.
So
that way I don't have to worry about like, oh man, I gotta maintain the dreads and you go and do this. Nah, but I gotta have a middle, boy.
Yeah, you like me. You like to keep it balanced because you don't want to have the maintain dreads because you like, I gotta do this. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do that. Yeah. You wake up, you shake. You feel me? You be ready to go.
Yeah.
And then on God, and then with the freeform, with the freeform, it just like however your dreads turn out. You dig what I'm saying?
Right.
Facts, bro. Alright, so tell them one more time where can they follow you at on Instagram?
Y'all can follow me on IG at Do It All EJ. And I made a whole nother YouTube page at EJ from Tudos.
I bet. Shit. Hey, look, I'm gonna tell you, bro. Cause look, bro, go ahead and start doing your dread journey. Cause look, what I do is I do whatever I want on my YouTube channel, bro. Like I told them in my last video, I do whatever I want. If I feel like uploading a Monkey Yee video, of course the dread video, they gonna bring you views regardless. That's an automatic. They gonna bring you views, but what happened is it brings you views over time. You know what I'm saying? So right now, a video that I made about 9 months ago, it's about to hit 20,000. Like, give me like 3 or 4 more months. The video that I uploaded 2 weeks ago, that's gonna hit about 20,000. You get what I'm saying? But then by then, I'm gonna have a certain fan base. You know what I'm saying? So everything gonna be rocking. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, what really kill you is breaks, nigga. I'm the king of that shit, dude. I'm the king of breaks. I'll take a break in a second. Cause I don't really like what I'm doing now is I'll take like a 1 to 2 day break. I'm not gonna take no week break. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I really go off how I feel. You know what I'm saying? Cause I can't be on Instagram. I can't be on social media 24/7, bro. You know what I'm saying? I just can't do that. That's dead. But yeah, do that. Do that dread journey shit, bro. Cause your shit really fire, and people gonna wanna know if you make your first video how to get freeform dreads, or look at my most popular video, still that title, how to get freeform dreads, and you have a thumbnail up there and you just tell the people, oh, I use the brush method. Bro, you gonna get about 50,000 views probably quicker than me. Y'all make sure y'all go mess with my boy Instagram. Instagram also in the link below. I gotta show him some love. I appreciate y'all for watching the whole video. And he told y'all like, hey, he did this, he did that, and the third. And like any other subscribers, if you got any dreads and anything like that, y'all trying to get interviewed on the YouTube channel, just let me know down below, man. Support the channel. Hit that like button for me down below. Like I said, bro, we just on some different stuff 2020. You dig what I'm saying? I'm bringing my alright, we not gonna try to say that word, okay? Alright, tired, you know what I'm saying? Like 12, whatever. Alright, but I'm bringing my own creativity, alright? And I appreciate the support. I appreciate y'all watching the whole video, man. Like I said, go hit me up on Instagram. DM me on Instagram. I'm here for y'all. You dig what I'm saying? The time that y'all need anybody to talk to, I'm here for y'all. You dig what I'm saying? Hit me up on, DM me on Instagram. Go follow me and like all my posts, bro. Stay updated with my Instagram. Catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.